In primetime news this evening, school tragedy. Student dies after goalpost collapses on him at Campion College.
Payout promise. Government says persons can expect money through reverse income tax credit early this week.
And royal send-off. JLP members and supporters say farewell to Dr. Nigel Clark. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. In the business news this week, we talk about what's happening on the stock market as well as what happened on the foreign exchange market.
And Renato is here with a preview of what's coming up in the big show. What's happening?
Well, Archie, it's cricket. Lovely cricket. Shimron Hetmyer makes a return to the West Indies ODI team for the first time in almost a year, and the Jamaica Scorpions will open their Super 50 season on Wednesday against Barbados.
Thank you very much, Renato. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Andrea. We have that stationary frontal system still north of the Caribbean, still north of Jamaica rather, over in the Windward Passage, and we are expecting showers and thunderstorms to be widespread, especially across northern parishes. Come tomorrow, we're looking for cloudier conditions than we did have today.
And Romain will have the details later on in the weather report and forecast. There's also E-Prime as well as sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how do you rate the performance of Dr. Nigel Clark as Jamaica's finance minister? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.